Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today my name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $17 per hour by doing one of these real legitimate work from home jobs that you can do from your home office. And you're not going to need a lot of experience at all, so let's get started right now. Before I jump into the opportunities, I want to let you know that if these methods don't work out for you today, just check out the first link in the video description below. You're going to find out exactly what I do, and it's going to be an opportunity where you can learn to build your own online business, and it's going to be available for a lot more people. Okay, so when you are able to build your own online business, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, it's going to be available for a lot of countries. So that's mostly what you guys have to do when you can't find opportunities outside of the US. That is the best money that you can make, is using what I use and build yourself an online business using that first link underneath the video description. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first site. All right, so as I go through these sites, it's going to get a little bit better as we go along, okay? So this is not going to be the site that's going to make you the most, but this is kind of fun, this one, okay? This one is called Needle, and it's found at needle.com. And what they provide are online personal shopping assistants. If there are any brands out there who are having problems converting their viewers that are on their website, their visitors, into real customers, then they could go to Needle and ask them for help to hire these online personal shopping assistants. Now, what are they? They are usually going to be chat agents where they can go on the brand's website and start talking to the visitors. If the visitors have questions, then the shopping assistants can help them with any questions that they may have, and it will convert those visitors into customers much easier this way. So this is a great service for any business out there online that needs a chat agent for their site, and Needle provides these chat agents. Now for Needle, they're saying, so online personal shopping assistants powered by best chat agents, and these are some of the companies that have used them. So next generation brand advocate live chat is here. Needle finds your most passionate and knowledgeable brand advocates and connects them with customers on your website. Shoppers trust advocates because they're not sales reps or sales or service reps, they are peers. This is another reason why they want people who are experienced with different brands to apply to be an advocate. Convert browsers into buyers with better conversations. So this is what I was talking about. If you have a chat agent right there to answer questions, then the visitor could turn into a customer, right? So you're going to go to the bottom here and click on Become an Advocate. And once you click on that, you're going to get to this page where you're going to register. Okay, so right now, this is a form that you have to register. So you need your first name, full name, last name, email, and your phone number, address. And then you're going to talk about these questions that they may have because they want to understand who you are and how they could match you with a brand. Okay, so once you submit, they will contact you when they have any positions available. And then for the pay rate for here is not that great, but they do start at $9 to $11 per hour for this particular one, and they are only hiring in the US for Needle. The next one I have here is LiveOps.com. So LiveOps.com provides customer service agents from home. So you could be one of these live customer service reps from your home office, and this is a company that totally provides like a virtual call center for big companies or small companies who don't want to have their own call center. So what you're going to do is click on Become an Agent on the top right there, and then you're going to get to this page. So call center careers from home, make your work from home dream come true. So LiveOps connect you with customer service work as an at-home virtual call center agent. Okay, So you're going to have all the flexibility of being independent because you're going to be a contractor. You're not going to be an employee here. So these are all US-based remote positions right now that they have. And I believe they are only US. For this one, they pay about 25 cents per minute. That works out to be about $15 per hour. But I also found on Indeed that they have different positions and different rates. So some are 14 per hour, some are 18.60 per hour, and then some are $14.94. So between $14 and $19, I would say it is for LiveOps.com. Okay. So the next one I want to show you, it is called VIP Desk Connect at VIPDeskConnect.com. And here, this is another virtual assistant type site where you can be hired to do different tasks for different brands and companies out there. So they are the ones who will be interfacing with the different companies, and you're going to be working as one of their customer service reps that they'll provide to their client. To join their team, you just got to click here on the front page, join our team, and then it'll go to this page where you can see what is available. So they right now have 3 different positions available and a 4th one here. This one only has 1 location, but these have many different locations, and most of these jobs just have very light things that they need. And so I would just go through. Oh, for you guys, you should really check out the FAQs here because it really tells you more about this company, of what they do and everything like that. And so do they hire people outside of the US? They are not currently, so sorry for other people, but there are some for Canada, but those are very limited and they are very rare, and they would state in the positions what you need. So there's a lot of different facts that you want to read in this section here in this page, because there's a lot of things that you may need to know about the requirements that you need. For VIP Desk Connect, their rates is $17 per hour average, so that is a very good rate. And then this other one I want to show you is called Workforce Logic. So you just go to workforcelogic.com. So that's LOGIQ. They spelled it differently there for logic. So this is another talent agency basically where they provide workers or employees to their clients. So they're like a staffing agency, right? So they hire people for other companies. And if you go to About Us and join our team, you just click that one and you'll get to this page here where you could read about how to either one of their employees through this part, or you could work for one of their clients as well. So I want to show you this particular one because this one has team members all over the world, okay? They do recruit from all over, but it just depends on what they have available to hire you with, okay? And like currently, they are only finding US-based people for their clients. So I guess their clients want US people, but here to work for them, they have people from all over. But I'm not sure when they would have these kind of jobs for outside the US because I don't see any right now. As I go to their current positions, you can see that everything is in the US right now. Indiana and in Florida and Kansas and Florida as well. You could contact this company though to ask them more about the worldwide opportunities because it sounds like they do have worldwide positions. So it's just 1,000 team members strong around the world. So I would just contact them to see where their worldwide opportunities are. Maybe it's a different site because I'm on the .com site. Maybe they have another site for you to go on, and you can see here there's different languages as well for the site. How much you can earn with this one is the highest one actually that I see because they recruit for many different positions. So this is a company that hires professionals as well as online positions, okay? So for the ones that are paying higher, they could be in-person type positions and may not be online, but look at all these rates are pretty good. So if you're looking for like customer service rep, it's about $14 per hour. So this is equivalent to the other ones I showed you. And anything else is a lot higher. You can see $20 per hour, $40 per hour as a admin assistant, right? And so you probably need some experience for these ones, but you know, for the lower ones like the customer service rep, you probably don't need a lot of experience at all. Some basic organizational skills, and you know, I'm sure that from your other jobs you'll have enough experience to already just go for something like that if you really need a job to go to and you really need a work from home job. So this is a really good work from home option as well. But as you can see, all these different positions, they are all going to be trading time for money, meaning that once you stop working, you won't be earning anymore, right? It's like any other job, right? You are trading time for money, but that's okay. If you're just starting out online, you need to start somewhere. So these opportunities online are going to be great for you. But like I said earlier, if these are not hiring outside the US, or if it's in the US but you don't like this kind of work, you should really check out that first link in my video description so you can learn a better way to make money online, the way I make money online, which is building your own online business. When you have your own online business and build online assets, you could earn a passive online income and stop trading time for money, okay? Meaning that I can work on my own schedule, but earn any time of the day. So the best way to earn on the internet is by using an online business, and that program in the first link in the video description will teach you how to do that. And I've learned from that program as well, so it is a good one, and that's why I recommend it. So I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, because I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, okay? Because I'm always changing my schedule. All right, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye.